Hello, my name is Tulen Thapa and today I'm going to talk about why my name is Simping Nishikata and sorry, I just recently came after doing my exercise. So you can say leave all the sweat out and I cannot use my fan or else my leg would bang with the fan because I do handstands and all that and I'm trying to do backflip. So that's why the sweat is there, but leave it at that. And this is my first face cam video on this channel, so I'm a little bit nervous, but it's all right. Also, I'm at my you can say resident area. I'm in a residential area, so I cannot talk too loudly. You know. Also, this is a quite you can say big room, so there is a lot of echo. But today we are going to talk about why my name is Simping Nishigata too, and why you can say what do we call it? Why my name is Simping Nishigata and why Simping Nishigata? You know? So the story starts. You can say in 2020 or 2021 or something when I started. I started watching anime. You can say at quite a young age, na? Or at I guess I was very young that time when I started watching it. And the first anime that I watched was Naruto, the last movie, or the last Naruto movie. The name was not the last Naruto movie. The name of the movie was the last movie of Naruto. And I haven't watched Naruto, before that even a single time, है ना? And I watched it for the first time in Japanese subtitles, and I'm not Japanese as you can tell. So I don't really know right now. I'm too high right now because of the exercises, so I'm blabbering, but it's all right. You can also. I'm sorry for the background noises. I'm not professional, as you know. Also, the veins are popping. It's all right. It's all right. I will come back to the topic. So it was Naruto, the last movie, and it was a Japanese movie. And in that movie, Hinata kissed Naruto for the first time, and they revealed their love for the first time. And I was instantly, drawn to not that particular scene, but the scene where Naruto punches that bad guy. I even forgot the name of that bad guy. So I haven't even watched the movie in English subtitles. I just remember the movie in Japanese subtitles or in Japanese only. I even didn't even have English subtitles, so it was all visual at that time. So I started watching anime from that point. I also watched, I suppose, my initial anime also at Avatar: The Last Airbender. Though some may not consider it as an anime, but for me it's quite an anime style influence. American cartoon, because I suppose it was an American company that made it. Let it go. I don't remember it right now. So how I come to know Teaching Master Takagi-san. There is an anime that is known as Teaching Master Takagi-san, hai na? So this anime is a slice of life anime, or what do you call it, part of life anime, and it changed my life a little bit, hai na? So I can dwell into too much details, hai na? But I will just come to the conclusion and tell you that why I was so much influenced by this character Nishikata, hai na? By our god Nishikata. We cannot say character. He is a real person and he is living and he is the strongest person in this universe. Not even Goku can beat him. Though here I said it, not even no one. My favorite one of my favorite anime, One Piece, Luffy cannot even beat him. Sun God Dika cannot beat him because this man has something that other guys don't have. He, though everybody is great, and I don't I'm not demeaning anybody. I love Luffy, I love Goku, I love everybody, every single anime character, Naruto, Ichigo. Sorry, sorry for the I'm not very fluent in English, as you can tell, but I am trying. I am trying to improve. So Nishikata is Tsurumato Takagi-san is a slice of life anime in which as the anime's name suggests, Takagi-san teaches Nishikata quite a bit, and Nishikata always tries to get her back, or make tries to tease Takagi-san, so yeah boy. So what happened is that I, I can't even explain it in words. So in this anime, in this series, first I will tell you how it gave me motivation to do exercise. So Takagi, for he Nishikata, set himself up so in such a way that whenever Takagi-san, what do you call it, teases him, he would he would he is going to, you can say, do push-ups, 3 push-ups or 2 push-ups. I don't remember it. I need, sorry, Nishikata bro, sorry bro. I'm going to, you can say, rewatch it again because I need to remember all these minor details, because these details are the ones that, you can say, matters the most, है ना. So he started, you can say, doing push-ups, and while doing push-ups he sees that he's getting muscular. He, you can say, asks Takagi for an arm wrestling match, and still Takagi wins. And it's just too awesome, man. It's just too awesome. Just, I will tell you what you can say. So this point, at this point, I was, you can say, truly motivated to do exercises. I will tell you the whole ideology behind this, है ना. So but just listen to this, just listen to this. I can't put it in words, I can't explain it. I don't know how, why I like this character or not, because it's just the simple things in life. Takagi choose the simple things in life, and Nishikata is just so pure, man. Just so pure. He just, you can say, tries to, he tries to tease, but he cannot tease Takagi, because from inside he just, you can say, adore her. He cannot, you can say, even he will never be able to tease her. I know it. And he is going to, what do we call it? He is always going to look out for her. The things, these small details, है ना. There are very small details, and you can say teaching Master Takagi something that cannot, you can say, explain it in words. The way he moves, the way he expresses his emotions, he is protective about her. He is, you can say, he be there when she needs him, and you can say he is just the ideal person that you should become. Doing exercises every single day, trying to do handstand, pushing past your limits. All these things were, you can say, incorporated into him. I don't know via Takagi or it was within him, but for even, you can say, incorporating them things because of Takagi's presence, that's great in its own way. Matlab, you cannot even fathom to, I cannot even fathom to explain it to you guys. I cannot, you can say, explain it, है ना, because in my mind I have regarded him as a god, है ना, and I cannot, you can say anything bad about him. I cannot listen anything bad about him even. Though many guys would, you can say that he will be beaten up into a pulp by, you can say, bunch of bad guys. I am there for him. I am, you can say, doing exercises to protect the guy for him if he needs one. If he needs sometimes, if he needs me someday. The anime was so pure. The manga was good. Was, you can say, was epic, man. This was my favorite. This is my favorite anime. I cannot say anything about it. Nishikata just is the embodiment of what you should become. You should become, you can say, respectable. You should be, you can say, loyal. You should be, you can say, trusting in yourself, trusting in your own abilities, speaking your mind out, doing things the right way, doing things, you can say, the way that your heart intends it to be. And it's not, you can say, all about flashy moves, flashy, you can say, things. The anime, there are many animes that I like. Demon Slayer, One Piece, many animes that I like. Bleach. There are many animes. There are many isekai animes too. Jobless Reincarnation. Many animes. I can't even remember how many animes I've watched till now. I have watched too many slice of life animes too. I cannot speak the name. The Contemplates one. The Contemplates. I can't even say speak that word. I don't, you can say, know how to pronounce it. Sorry. I will remember. Sorry for the Contemplates fan. I will try to, you can say, read their words correctly the next video I made. But I will, you can say, redeem myself. What else can I say? It's just that I'm just too drawn to that character. I don't know what it, you can say, means to me, because I have found characters that I relate to more. I am good at drawing, I am good at studies, and I am good at many things, and I have found myself, you can say, connecting to many other, you can say, anime characters. But I'm doing hand symbols. Let's see at the body now, because it's getting late, and I need to, you can say, get this video out. This will be my first, you can say, video that I am speaking in, so I, you can say, chose a corner so that you cannot guess where I am right now, but it's alright. So not where I am, what will you do knowing where I am? So what I am trying to say is, I had my name as Simping Nishikata too, because I just love him, man. Not, you can say, as a gay, or you can even say Simping Nishikata is for Takagi, but in a simple words, you can say it's a summarization of the series, but not that too. But it's alright. I cannot, you can say, explain it more. So as this video is already 9 minutes long, so I will just give you some anime recommendations to watch. One Piece. First of all, One Piece. You cannot watch Shirimasa Takagi-san because it's the greatest anime of all time, and you need to, you can say, have the guts to watch it. Not you can say it's actually very simple anime. Not you can say something like Berserk or something like that. But there are some things that the joy, the sometimes happiness can hurt, and joy can be painful. That you need to, you can say, for embracing that pain, and you can say being able to control it. Though may I sound like a old man, but if I am truly recommending anime, and you can say I didn't want to recommend some hidden gems to many other guys, but I suppose anybody can find them, so why should I, you can say, keep them hidden? Also, there is one thing I need to, you can say, talk to about. Wanted to talk about, you can say, what do we call it? What animes, you can say, impact, what how animes can impact the whole societies. I feel like you can say if from, you can say, from birth only, if somebody, you can say, watches anime, or a particular society, part of society, or children grew up watching anime, I feel like if they have been, you can say, parented correctly, and they have watched anime and stuff like that, and not, you can say, not only just anime, parenting is also important, I know it. And the thing is that if everything is correct, then children grow up to be, you can say, then the society will get benefited, you can say, on its own. You know what I'm saying, though you may not, but it's all right. Also my six packs are showing, so why not flex it a little bit more? Some more flexing. Yeah, boy. I don't know what I'm scared of in life, but right now I'm not scared of anything. Do you want to see my back? See my back too. But it's not as pretty as my hand, so be aware of it. Damn. Side profile. Look at the side profile too. Though it's not popping right now because I don't have the correct lighting condition, but it will pop eventually. I feel like it's alright. I already, you can say, had to do it quite a lot, so we'll keep it at that. Chest bumps for you, and with that, sign out.